Hi guys, today I'm doing another shop with me video and I'm going to Walmart with a very special guest, my mom.
Hi everyone.
Oh my goodness, the amount of requests for my mom to be in a video with me. I mean, I feel like you guys don't even care about me anymore.
Oh.
So we're headed into Walmart. We actually just popped into Kohl's. We went to Panera for lunch. We're just kind of having a fun girls' day out. So we're gonna head into Walmart, see what they have because we haven't been in here in a while. So you never know what we're gonna find. We're either gonna find a lot of really good stuff or maybe nothing. I feel like that's how it always is in here.
Yeah.
It's a hit or miss sometimes for us. So we'll see, but we're gonna bring you guys along. Hopefully you enjoy. So let's go ahead and go inside. This is Michigan in the winter. Lots of snow. Okay, I decided I'm gonna look to see if they have any cute Valentine's Day decor. They have like some kitchen stuff. Yeah, they have some cute little vases for like $4. Tablecloths. So they basically just have like a ton of candy and stuffed animals is basically what I'm seeing. That's what I want right there. They do have some good like gifts and stuff here though if you're just looking for a little something. Like way more affordable than like Target and stuff.
Are these still in style or?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
So all these little hats are like $5. Try it on, let's see. I'll tell you how it looks. But she said she has some pants that are this color. Oh yeah, it's cute. It's a little crooked. That's cute. Turn to the side. I like it. $5. I think it's cute. I think you should just grab it.
Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna take a peek in some of the clothes. Honestly, I find some really good like workout stuff here that's really affordable. This is kind of cute. The stripes on the side. This looks like it's the juniors, I think. Maybe? Yeah, because it says large 12-14, but that's cute. They have it in white too. Like $17. I think that's really cute. I would probably get the extra large, like the 16-18 or the large. Maybe just large, but yeah, that's cute. And in black. I think it's pretty sleek. These are my favorite sweatshirts to get here every time. I have them in a couple colors, but they're always $10.88. They definitely look more expensive. They're already like kind of like a vintage wash. But it's like a little bit longer in the back. It's really cute. It's kind of like oversized and stuff. I think this green color's cute. I haven't seen that one before.
What size should I get? This is a medium.
That looks good. I think that's cute. Yeah, but see how it's like a little bit longer in the back, and then it has like a little tiny slit on the side. It's cute with leggings. So mom is getting this blue color. I told her this color always looks really good on her. And then kind of like this pinky red. Be cute for Valentine's Day.
Oh wow.
I have these in a bunch of colors too.
They're so
And they're
soft.
all on clearance for $5. That's crazy. Why are they so affordable? But yeah, they have some brighter colors. I normally get like the neutral colors, the gray, the blacks. This color's pretty. Yeah, all $5. I thought this was super adorable too. I don't know, it's like kind of like a long blazer, but it feels like sweatshirt material. It does have like a little belt you can tie around the waist. $26.44, but I think it's cute. Comes in like a couple colors. Yeah, I don't know why I like that so much. I just think
It's soft.
yeah, they have it in gray, black, that camel color. Really cute. And then they have it in like a shorter version too, for a little bit cheaper. They still have some Sherpas. I showed these, man, probably back in the fall. They're on clearance now for $13, but still have a few left. Extra small. They have some extra large, but these are great. I don't think I ever saw this color either. These are 15 bucks, but that pink color, that's really pretty. Okay, we're about to head back to the shoes, but I was like, oh my goodness, all of these pajamas just look so cozy. I like the gray one right here. It says Be Happy. And then look at these pants. They're $9.97 and they're ribbed and they're kind of like a flare at the bottom. They just feel so soft. They have pockets and so cozy. And then you just need one of these to go over it, right? Those are so soft too. But yeah, this is really adorable. I kind of feel like I need one of these, but I have so many pajamas at home. I'm sorry for my voice. I am a little bit stuffed up right now. I was just kind of getting over a little cold. Okay, Mom just found this in the clearance pajamas. It's super cute. You need like some pants or something to go with it though, don't you?
I have some this color.
Okay, yeah, that just looks cozy. Man, she's finding more stuff than me. We're in the shoes. It's kind of loud back here. We're like right by a speaker, but just kind of seeing if they have anything fun. I'd really like to get another pair of the slippers that I always get from here. I've gone through like 2 pairs. One because the first pair I had, my dog kind of chewed off a big chunk of it, but I don't see them here today. But I feel like they always have good slippers here. Mom is trying on these. I knew she was gonna love these. Uh-oh. But yeah, they're 25 bucks. They look like something you get from Nordstrom. You actually have a pair kind of like these.
I have some black ones.
That you did get at Nordstrom.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
They are.
They are. They feel nice.
They look cute.
So could I wear these in the summer, like with
maybe white
pants?
jeans or yeah, I think they're cute.
Okay, I might get these today.
Yeah, those look cute. And then I was looking at these down here, and I always kind of regretted not getting these because I think they kind of look like a Gucci sneaker. If they have my size, I might grab them, but I'm not seeing my size yet. Nope, I don't think they have my size unless I can squeeze into a 6.5. It's a little tight. Oh, they're cute.
Really cute.
Yeah, they're cute. But aren't these cool?
Oh, the ones you have on?
Yeah.
Where did you get those?
Nordstrom. I ordered them online for 44 bucks. They're Steve Madden. They were normally $112, and I got them for 44.
Wow.
We made it over to the kitchen stuff. It's really loud over here though. I don't know if there's like a fan or something, but I just found this. This is real marble at the bottom, and just like wood with a little bit of marble, and then brass on the top, just a little paper towel holder. $16.83, and I think this is gonna look really cute in my kitchen, so I'm gonna grab this. But we were looking, they also just have like really nice little basic jars for like organizing in your pantry or whatever. They're just way cheaper here than they are at Target or anything, so I think these are really good, and we have a bunch of these. That's what I want to do next. I want to like go through my kitchen and come up with a bunch of really good organization, and I'll probably film it, but yeah, they have some really cute stuff in here. They have some Pioneer Woman things like the bread box. It's a little wine rack, coffee pod organizer. What's that? I mean, this doesn't go with my kitchen, but if you guys like the Pioneer Woman stuff, that's really cute.
For the cabin.
Yeah, that's cute. I show this stuff like every time I'm here, but all of this wood stuff is like my favorite here at Walmart. I just think it's really adorable. And I always love this too. I've never bought it. I show it every time. But yeah, I think all that's really cute. More Pioneer woman stuff. Honestly, this is kind of cool. The little ice bucket comes with that too. This kind of looks like my table runner that I got from Target. This one's way cheaper. It's $13.96. I'm pretty sure mine was at least 25 bucks, but I think it's just as long. It's 72 inches long. That's really cute. If you're looking for something similar. Yeah, they have some pretty cute table runners here. Look at what my mom just found. Jute placemats. Those are cool. $2.74 each.
Wow.
That's a good price. These would be like $10 at Target. Those are really cool. I am back home and I was going to have my mom sit here with me and show the things that she got, but she actually had to go meet a friend. She's not going to be in the haul portion, but pretty much everything that I showed her looking at, like those sweatshirts, like the vintage kind of wash sweatshirts. There was like a brown sweatshirt. She ended up purchasing, so she just would have been showing it again. So I thought it wasn't a huge deal, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I got some really random things and I don't even know if you guys are gonna be that interested in it, but I'll show you anyway. And did anybody notice I cut my hair again? I kind of have an addiction to cutting my own hair and I really like this length. I don't know, it's just kind of fun. So one of the first things that I got was this. I showed this in the shop with me part, but this is real marble. It was like 16 bucks. It's the Better Homes and Gardens, and look, it has a little bit of like brass on the top, a little bit of marble on the top, and I just thought this is going to look very, very adorable in my kitchen. So I thought I needed that. Excuse me, what are you doing? Next I got another hamper. This was like $7.98 I think, and I thought that was a pretty good deal. I feel like normally hampers are more expensive than that, and I just needed another one that was a little higher because Bandit, he always gets in our laundry bins and tries to steal our clothes. So I thought if it was like a little bit taller, then maybe he wouldn't be able to reach in it. So I thought that would be good. And then this, and this is gonna be no surprise. Every shop with me video, I feel like I grab one of these. These are my two like drugstore favorite makeup products. The Revlon exfoliating lip balm, which is crucial for me to have in the winter especially, but I use it all year round. It has like little exfoliating beads in it. This is my brow pencil that I've been using for years, and I just use it in brunette. So those are my two favorites, and if you guys have watched all my shop with me videos, then those are kind of no surprise to you. Also, I grabbed this Olay body lotion while I was there because normally I get things like this when I'm just at my grocery store, and my grocery store does not carry Olay body lotion. What? So I saw this there and I thought I just needed it because I have like a little travel size of Olay and I really like it, so I really wanted to try like a bigger one. Next, just got a huge thing of these hangers for like $1.97. I thought that was really good. In our closet, I have all black velvet hangers, but I have a couple clothing racks and I have a lot of things that I want to put on Poshmark and get rid of and stuff. So I thought I needed a few more just like regular hangers just to have things like hung up, and yeah, they were like $1.97, so I thought that was good. And then I got a new bath mat, just basic, nothing crazy. That's not exciting. What am I thinking? And then my camera is on top of the last thing I wanted to show you guys, and it's this Body Love cookbook. I think it's a cookbook. Guys, I've seen so many people talking about this book like on Instagram and YouTube, and I thought I needed to try it. Really, I should probably know what this book is even about, but I don't, and that's probably kind of sad. But I also thought after I'm done reading it, it's gonna look really cute on my bookshelves too. Whenever people show books, I always want them to show them like without the cover on it, because I don't know, I just like to know what the book really looks like, and I think it's a really pretty book. And I have like this little shelf in my kitchen where I have some cookbooks, so I think that'll be cute. So this looks like it has like a lot of healthy recipes, and I don't know, just kind of looks fun. I just kind of wanted to get it to see what all the buzz was about because I've seen so many people talk about it. So I think that was pretty much everything I picked up from Walmart this time. Nothing too crazy. I didn't get a ton of stuff or anything, but I had fun kind of going out with my mom today, and hope you guys enjoyed it. I know so many people have been wanting me to do another shop with me video with my mom, which is so funny. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and I apologize. I hope I wasn't too like sniffly or nasally throughout this video. I am kind of getting over a cold. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will see you really soon in my next video.